Now, there's Nebo in China, and there's all kinds of regret and regress for the woman that came out beating her breast as Gong Fei led me around the city Juxi, or was it Ling Zhao, the artist we saw? There was some type of person. Was it his brother, his cousin? We picked him up in the Jetta or Audi. There goes my battery button on my computer. Didn't have one in China, but I was blessed with a name. Wasn't supposed to take it, said Solomon the Shame. But William gave me the name Shujushi. I was very excited. Wrote it after he. Then I saw lots of karate skills when I got home. I flipped my lighter up and caught it and thrown. Then there came a very great understanding. Somebody in the world wrote me a movie. The Water Boy was one of them in the past, but this one had a lady with red hair and flash. From the nail, it wasn't poison. She gave her dear mother a nail in the kitchen to turn her into the bear. And that would lead her up to the air. Now, right now, they're trying all kinds of things in fright, not letting me do what I know is right. They keep trying to lead me, they keep trying to befriend with all their elegance and understanding of nothing. They think they see a building, and that is something. The building where I could get an education and such. But there'll be no such thing as that. Because I hate being called stupid by them. Oh, they hurt so hard. Because why? Because they just wouldn't quit speaking. You know that they're so old, they get so much edification. Because they're scared of being nervous and insecure. That's where everyone needs to be. A little nervous, a little insecure. Be left alone to study whatever they want to study and say what they want to say in their position in each and every way. That's the position of Shujushi. Who needs to go up in the air and fly like he? Just listen. Just do what you're told. And your cultures, principles, and stories untold. I might just send you a little video here and there instead of sending you a document and a computer stare. I might just let you have an old fight inside just to listen and for you to decide on whatever you want to do. For together we're confused. That's Nebo. The great eagle from China, contentious bird in Isaiah.